Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can run a Node.js application directly on Android. For this, we'll be using Termux. Termux is basically a Linux terminal on your Android device, where you can run commands just like you would on a normal computer. You get access to commands like ls, cd, and pretty much everything you'd expect from a terminal. First, we need the project code. I'm going to use git to clone a repository. If you don't have git installed, you can install it using this command. If you don't want to use git, you can also access your phone storage directly. Just type cd storage, and this is where you'll find your files. Coming back to the project, I'm going to clone this repository. As you can see, it's a basic e-commerce application hosted on GitHub. I'll copy the HTTPS link, go back to Termux, use the git clone command, paste the link, and hit enter. You can see the files have been downloaded successfully. Let me list the folders here, and now I'll navigate into the project folder. As you can see, all the project files are here. Next, we need node.js installed. You can check if Node is already installed using the node-v command. If you don't have it, you can install it using this command. Since I already have Node installed, we're good to go. Now, let's install all the project dependencies using npm install, or npm-i. This might take a minute depending on your internet speed, and once that's done, we can start the server. I'll run npm run start, or you can use whatever start command your project has inside the package.json. And there we go. The server is now running on localhost :3000. I'll copy this URL and open it in the browser. And as you can see, the website has loaded successfully. It automatically switched to desktop mode and everything seems to be working properly. This is just a basic website, but you can see all the features are running perfectly fine. Once you're done, if you want to stop the server, simply press Ctrl+C. And that's it. This is how you can run and host a Node.js website locally on your Android device using Termux. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.